Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to set up TikTok video as wallpaper. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your TikTok account. Once you're there, you click on this three line up here, after which you click on settings and privacy. So you scroll down and you are going to see wallpaper. Click on it. As you can see, it's actually empty for the moment because we have not yet downloaded any wallpaper. So you can simply find a wallpaper if you want. Those are the various wallpaper, but in this video I'll be using my own video to set up as a wallpaper. So I'll come back down here, come back out, or you can use any video as well, any random video on TikTok. So okay, let's say this video, you simply click on what, on the share button. After that, you scroll down, you scroll, you are going to see set up as wallpaper. Click on it. So it will automatically be downloaded. From there now, you can click at what, set as wallpaper. Click on it. So that's it. You can set it up. Set wallpaper. As you can see, the two options: your home screen, your screen home, and lock screen. So you can decide to set any of them that you want. So let's just say home screen or lock, any of the two of them. So from there, click on it. So if you want to see if you have downloaded the wallpaper, come back and we are going to verify, check it out. So scroll down, you're going to see wallpaper, you see it here. So when you go out of TikTok account, you're going to see that you have set up that video as your wallpaper on your phone. So guys, that's it. So that's it, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. So love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.